So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your scale is on the recommended option. Make sure that your display resolution is correct. Make sure that your display orientation is also correct. Now you want to scroll down and then select advanced display. And you also want to make sure that your refresh rate is correct. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. See if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to find the driver that you think is most applicable to your graphics card. You want to click on it and then click on next, and you want to install that. See if that works for you. There's also going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card, and then make sure that you have the latest drivers for your graphics card installed through your software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it, and now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you finish both those scans, you want to restart your computer and then hopefully this will fix your problem.